want to show you a way that you can actually make money, and it's not a hit or miss. It's not like it might work. Like, I can tell you it will work. It's not a scam. It's not something you have to put money into marketing, or put money, or like buy something to resell it. It's nothing like that. You don't have to have a store. And it's probably you're gonna have a hard time believing me until I show you, but I'm going to show you. Just stay with me. It's going to be something, right, that you want to do, something that you can do at the time you want to do it, and for how long you want to do it. Okay, and that is the best part of how I make money online. And this is what I am talking about. Now let me explain before you run off. There's 3 things I do want to tell you, very important to know. And let me get to those 3 points before you run off. I promise you, if you like to make some money online in the comfort of your home, you need to know this, okay? So, like, I'm not making money from this video. I'm simply sharing the success, because it's important in this current time that we can come together as a people and not be so divided, because things are just ridiculous right now. So this is OutSchool, and in a nutshell, you can create an account. You go through a slight little background check, make sure you're not a pedo bear or something like that. After the screening, you then able to create classes on here and teach anything you want. Now you're thinking, I can't teach. Well, let me show you some classes. Another thing, when you create an account, it also sends you a list of classes that parents are looking for their kids. You're going to be teaching kids anywhere from, I think, 3 years old to 18. And you get to decide how old, like the range that you want to deal with. So there's really simple things like story time with Miss Erica. This is a good one. There's stuff like making hands math, right? Building Minecraft houses. The simplest things, I kid you not, are being taught here. How to start a conversation. I saw it here once. And again, you're going to get a list of what people are looking for. Math, the educational stuff, those tend to be more popular, but like how to tell jokes, right? So check this out. Let's look at this real quick. Story time with Miss Erica. She charges them just $5. 20 minutes of her time makes $5, but not really. Okay, if she has a class of 10, that's 10 times 5, and then it's $50 for 30 minutes of her time, 25 minutes of her time, $50. Now, let's take a look at one of my classes, because I'm on this platform. For example, this one right here. Let's go to edit. I just kind of want to show you the details behind it here. Let's view the listing. Okay, $140, 50 minutes, right? And that's because I'm doing a one-on-one with a child, and a lot of times you might have some special needs kids, and so the one-on-one really helps. And so imagine if the size of this class was 18, and then 18 of them pays this price. You see where I'm going with this? Like, this is a great opportunity, and the type of classes that you can create, there's no way you can tell me there's something that you cannot teach on this thing. Look, how tell a joke. There's classes on how you would tell a joke. Guys, seriously, I want you to check this out. So I really wanted to show this part. So I get the list of classes that are being requested, and just to give you an idea that there's nothing, there's no way you can say that there isn't something that you know, right? That you can just teach a child. Check this out. Minecraft, how to get diamonds, okay? How to write non-fictional books, how to use compass, reading and writing, hands-on computer building, zoo animal drawing, painting, crafting, like Microsoft Office Suite 365, or how to play Beatles song. Right? There are a lot of these classes, simple things that I am pretty sure you can do, and I've taken the initiative and created an account and teach. What I teach is more of the educational programming IT stuff, and here's my tip to you is give it a shot. It's a legit business, and if you have the time, you can make, you can make a lot. For example, I'll go to teach. Here you can see I don't have a lot of time, and so my availability here, I kind of have it set up. So right here has my availability about 16 hours, so that parents can schedule something that's not listed. So you see, a couple days I teach a couple different things, and for like if I went in here, and you will see that I have maybe this price for this, okay, and what if I taught that to 10 kids, right? That's 10 times that number. About this one. Let's view the listing here. See what this is going for. $100. So like, let me show you something else, right? Let's head over here, and let's head over to filter. And let's filter this. All right, I want to show you this. Okay, it was actually yesterday. I mean, okay, I taught for I think maybe 2 hours. One class had about, I think, 4 kids, the other had 2, right? This, right? So, guys, you notice how many times in 1 month? This is May. Yeah, May. And this is simple things. Like if I had a lot of time, so if you're someone who's laid off and you really have the time, you can, get like this, maybe a lot more than this every day, right? Again, like this is enough to at least pay a mortgage or something. So see what I'm saying? Like, I wanted to show you guys a way that you can make some money online the legit way. You do put in some work, you do put in some hours, but you get to make those hours. So if I went into one of my classes, right, I can decide. You create your class, you create the title, create the type of flexibility, and I highly recommend an introduction video. This one doesn't have, but all my other classes have. Video, age limit, okay, and your class size, how long it goes. So you decide, okay, and then you set your sections, and I'll show you what those sections are. Sections here is which day, when does it start, what day is it held on, what time. You set that. It's really simple to do. So you have nothing stopping you except yourself. So definitely check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. Check it out.